Hi makers! Today we are making a beautiful Tongan Kahoa Lei using orchids, tea leaf, and baby's breath. We are doing our very first lei giveaway on Instagram and we will link it in the description. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see how you can get bonus entries in our giveaway only available for our YouTube subscribers. The first thing I'm going to do is prep all of my flowers. I'm removing the orchids from the stems. You will need 7 to 10 stems of orchids for an adult lei. I will be weaving in some baby's breath as well, so I'm cutting off individual pieces. I am preparing my tea leaf by removing the center stem. If this is your first time working with tea leaf, I would recommend watching our in-depth tutorial on making the Kahoa base. This goes in depth on how to cut and soften your tea leaf, and it will be linked in the description box. For this lei, I recommend softening your tea leaf because it will be easier to work with in this weaving method. I'm cutting the tea leaf into parallelogram-like shapes. I'm also cutting my tea leaf quite a bit smaller than when I'm making a kakala-style kahoa because the orchids will not take up as much room as the floral pieces that are sewn on. For this lei, my pieces are about 6 inches tip to tip. Like all my Kahoa leis, I'm cutting 3 pieces of lei twine about 5 feet long. I'm knotting it and braiding 3 to 4 inches that will be used to tie on the lei. If you have watched our Kahoa tea leaf based tutorial, we are using method 1 to make this style lei. I'm going to pinch my tea leaf in the center so it looks like a bow tie. Place the leaf on the center string. My string from the right side will come across the tea leaf and down the center. I will keep the string on the right to the right side and out of the way for the next step. I am keeping the tea leaf and center and right string pinched in place with my right hand. With my left hand, I am folding down the tea leaf over the string. On the back side of my lei, the string will come across the tea leaf piece and twist over the center string. I'm going to pull the left and center string tight and pinch it in place. As I add my next piece of tea leaf, I'm going to add a stem of baby's breath on top of the tea leaf and follow the same process. The right twine will come across my tea leaf and baby's breath and down the middle. I will pinch this with my right hand and use my left hand to fold down the tea leaf and baby's breath stem and bring the left piece of twine along the back of the tea leaf. My left piece will twist over the center and I'll pull it tight. Now I'm going to place my orchid where I want it to sit on the tea leaf and do a simple braid over the stem. So I'm placing the orchid stem on my center string and crossing over the right, then the left side. I'm going to pull it snug but not too tight as it could break off the orchid flower from the stem. I'm going to show this process again in real time. The pattern that I'm following is 1 piece of tea leaf, 1 piece of tea leaf with a stem of baby's breath, and then 1 orchid. You can create your own pattern. If you wanted a thicker layer of baby's breath, you could add it with each tea leaf. You could also add in orchids between every piece of tea leaf, or add in 2 stems of orchid at a time for a thicker lei. Here are some finished Kahoa Leis with orchids, including a matching family set. I mentioned our Instagram giveaway earlier in this video. Visit our Instagram page, Make It Megan Official, to enter. Subscribe to our channel and comment your Instagram username below for 5 bonus entries into our giveaway.